Hey, it's Paul Ingram with Kali Center. Today, let's grab our double sticks. I have a Sinawali combination to see if we can get it down. Hit the thumbs up button if you like training the double sticks. Share this video with your Kali friends and hit the subscribe button right now if you're not subscribed to Kali Center. Let's grab our sticks and let's get to the combo. Hey, if you do not have a pair of high quality rattan sticks for your Kali training, head over to my store over at KaliCenter.com and order yourself a pair or two of high quality rattan sticks, because you deserve to be training with the best gear possible in your Kali, in your Filipino martial arts. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Sinawali drill today, and then let's go ahead and break it down. Let's break down this combo. If you're new to Kali, Sinawali means to weave. And this is where we have the weaving motions of the double sticks or the two weapons right here. Now, if you don't have the double weave down, I suggest learning this one. So I'll put a link at the end of this video and down in the description and in the comments where I break down this exact drill right here, the double weave. Make sure you learn that. But if you're feeling like you can handle it, then let's go ahead and jump right into today's drill. It's basically the double weave. It's the same drill, but we're coming across with the 1, across with the angle 2, and then we're coming around with a double strike. So we have the reverse angle 1 on the right hand and a reverse angle 2 on the left hand. All right, just break down the right side first. So it's right hand, left hand, come all the way around and strike both at the same time. Once you have the right side down, then let's isolate breaking down the left side. From here, we have the left hand, angle 1, the right hand, angle 2, and then they both come around, striking together a 1 and 2. Left hand is the angle 1, right hand is the angle 2. We have 1, 2, 3 count strikes here. Left, right, both. But notice that the right hand is on top. So once we have the right side down, pop, and you have the left side down, pop, then let's go ahead and bring them together into the complete drill. Quick tip on this one. When you're doing the double strikes, make sure that your weapons, your hands, are not too close together. You want to keep them apart. What's the distance? About hand and elbow distance apart from the weapons, okay? So from there, we strike 1, 2, right there. So you want to imagine about a hand distance apart between your weapons, right there, when they are striking together. Once you have this Sinawali pattern down, then feel free to add in some other striking combinations like the Hurrata. All right, go have fun with this one. Make sure to visit my store, order a pair of premium rattan Kali sticks for your training, and check out my Kali classes over at KaliCenter.com. They're just $3 a month or $30 for the whole year. And I'll catch you back here next time at Kali Center. 1, 2.